Possession, using has. Please remember to like and subscribe.
The baby has a basket. The woman has a box. The man has an apple. The woman has a present. The woman has a basket. The woman has an apple. The woman has a glass. The girl has a ball. The boy has a ball. The woman has a flower. The girl has a phone. The woman has an orange. The man has a box. The boy has a glass. The boy has an apple. The man has a book. The man has a bag. The girl has a flower. The woman has a bag. The girl has a cup. The baby has a ball. The baby has a bottle. The girl has a phone. The girl has a ball. The woman has a box. The woman has a flower. The woman has an orange. The man has an apple. The man has a bag. The baby has a basket. The woman has a bag. The woman has a glass. The woman has an apple. The baby has a ball. The girl has a flower. The boy has a glass. The boy has a ball. The baby has a bottle. The girl has a cup. The man has a book. The woman has a present. The man has a box. The boy has an apple. The woman has a basket. The woman has a bag. The boy has a ball. The girl has a cup. The baby has a basket. The girl has a phone. The man has a book. The girl has a ball. The woman has a flower. The man has a bag. The girl has a flower. The baby has a ball. The woman has a box. The woman has an orange. The boy has a glass. The man has an apple. The woman has an apple. The man has a box. The boy has an apple. The baby has a bottle. The woman has a basket. The woman has a present. The woman has a glass.
Play Learn English games on Bitsboard. Enjoying the free educational content? Please remember to like and subscribe.